Hello everyone. So, beginning of the week I changed my electric meter myself because I'm an electrician, and then yesterday the plumber come round and changed the gas for me. And then I've put these stickers on there. This gas meter is property of my address and then the date it was installed, and the same with the electric. And there's the two gas and electric meter of Scottish Powers. So you can kindly come and collect your property, otherwise there'll be a standing charge of £5 a day per meter. So Scottish Power, can you come and pick up your meters? Thank you.